This is my Shiny Alpha Male Meowstic named Cheeto, and the hunt in order to get this Shiny Alpha Male Meowstic was one of the most interesting and fun hunts I've ever done. It had some of the most absurd luck I've ever had in shiny hunting. And with all that out of the way, I hope you enjoy the video. So it is December 18th at 11:51 at this current moment, and the first phase of this hunt has appeared. It's right here. That's incredible. Now I gotta do the thing where I open the camera and get great footage. Oh, yeah. Ah. I haven't done this before. Ah. This is fun, though. This is incredible. I did save, so even if it does kill me, it'll be fine. I can just reset. Ah! No. Okay, I'm gonna get away. Nope, stay away. Ah. So yeah, no Shiny Alpha Meowstic. I will take this. I believe there's also a Pokemon over there. Like, right there. It can either be a Esper or Fletchinder, and that is also sometimes spawning in. Ah! It's nearly daybreak. I know I'm taking way longer than I should, but I'm enjoying this moment. Oh, this feels good to get a shiny. Oh yeah, I should probably get away before I don't know when I want to catch this thing. I will go away. There. Up. Don't fall through. Okay. Man, this is so much fun. What ball do I want to catch it in? Probably Moon Ball. Don't see me. And it is down there. Oh no. It's fine. I will just wait here. Oh, I could also do the camera during the morning. I don't know, I'm just having too much fun with this. I was definitely hoping for the Shiny Alpha Male Meowstic first, but getting one of these is incredible. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, man. This is my second Shiny Alpha. I got a Shiny Alpha Trevenant randomly in Wild Zone 13. Yeah. This one's probably cooler in my opinion. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoops, I fell off. Oh, is it jumping off with me? Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not shiny. I will jump down and go catch my Shiny Alpha prize, wherever it is. It fell down here somewhere. Ah! Fletchinder, okay. I don't know where it went. Maybe it's not down here. Did it respawn back up there? I can't even see it. I'm gonna go back to the top. I don't hear it at all. Did it spawn back up here? Yep, it did. Oh. I'm gonna get away, save, and then reset probably 20 times trying to catch it in a moon ball. Oh my goodness. I will KO it. Wait, I should actually make sure I'm on the right ball first. Is that a catcher to 2? Please catch. Nice. Oh my goodness. I know that took like 5 minutes, but that's the first phase. Oh my goodness. It'd be cool to get another one, but I don't necessarily want another one. It'd be cool, but not necessary. Hopefully, Shiny Alpha Male Meowstic will be next. Hopefully. This is probably foreshadowing. Okay, I brought my Alpha Manectric. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. I never really used this mode. Oh, whoops. Wrong button. Aren't you gonna do something, Alpha Manectric? No, you're just gonna stand there. Deleting the camera's fun. Pretty awesome. Hopefully the next phase will come soon. So, I found the second phase of this hunt, and it's the same day, 12:18. It's now 4:18. I haven't been hunting for 3 hours straight, though. I've actually been hunting for maybe like 10 minutes, maybe 15, and I found a shiny chestnut in Hyperspace Lumios, but that doesn't count towards this hunt. Down there. Right there. Shiny Carbink. I don't know how it got down there. It took a while to get to a position where I could save, but the only way I got this was because I was coming back here after I just got a shiny chestnut, which I'll show. Like, right here. I just found this chestnut, and you can see I caught it today. That doesn't really prove I just found it, but I just got this thing. And now I come back up here and I go to, like, I come up here past the Alpha Manectric, and I wanted to destroy these mega crystals because I just found out about the guy that has a bunch of TMs in that back alleyway, Wild Zone 17. Oh goodness, where did it go now? There's the Carbink. Oh no, where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Did it fall down here? Oh wait, I have an idea. I should just warp out. Oh wait, oh no, if it despawned, I don't think it can, but if it did despawn, it auto-saves. So, That's not a good sign. Eh. Okay, so hopefully it didn't despawn. Well, now I have another save, I guess. I can hear an alpha noise. Probably a Kadabra. Oh no, it's the Meowstic. I forgot about that. Okay. So yeah, I just got this because I was going up to the benches, and of course it was shiny. I'm fine with Carbank. Okay, there's no... Okay, nice. Please do not run from me. I'll catch you in a Premier Ball. No, I won't. So my assumption for my next find would probably be a Mawile, because I keep KOing them during the middle of my 8-minute cycle, and that means I get like 7 to 10 encounters maybe every 8 minutes, which is the night cycle. So my most likely shinies are Mawile, Manectric, which I have already gotten, and Meowstic, either gender, likely male. Well, my next phase was in fact fast, but it wasn't the Meowstic. Maybe now I will get it. Oh yeah, and I gotta clarify that I will continue hunting for another Shiny Alpha Manectric, just because I want to get as many shinies as I can. Shiny Alphas will always be cool in this method, so it'd be great to get another one. So hopefully the next one will be something new, or one of the alphas. Knowing my luck, I'm probably going to get a Shiny Alpha female one, which is not the one I would like to get. I just don't like its way its color palette is for its shiny. It's got the same color palette, but the way it's placed on the model is just a bit strange to me. I like the more thorough yellow of the male one, so hopefully I will get a shiny one. So I found another shiny during this hunt, and it is now 7:38. Been about 3 hours since the last one, and I got the Shiny Alpha Meowstic. Oh man. Oh wait, yeah, that's the right button. Love this shiny. It's a great shiny. Oh, it's running fast. This is a really great thing. I'm gonna pause this so that I can take a photo of this. So I've taken quite a few photos of this thing. So now I'll try and catch this thing. And I don't want to catch it in a standard Pokeball. I was actually planning on maybe catching this thing in a Beast Ball. Oh wait, I forgot my Beast Ball. I gotta take it away from Talonflame. Ah, man. Okay, so put the item in the satchel. Wait, what? It noticed me as I went into the menu. What? That's strange. Oh boy, this is going to take more than one attempt. Okay, so Beast Ball has a absolutely atrocious catch rate. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna stop recording and I will start back up until I finally catch this thing. So it started taking so long that I didn't feel like filming every time I just threw a beast ball, just for it to be a very small chance to catch. About 60 or 70 times of throwing a beast ball, I finally caught it. You can tell I caught it in a beast ball, because that's right there. That took way longer than it should have. Oh my goodness, it's also modest naturally. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna do a bunch of fun things with it, like mega evolving it. Okay, it gave Meowstic a Mega Stone. Oh yeah, the Beast Wall animation's so good in this game. Wow. That looks really cool. Nope, don't follow me. There, okay. Wow. There. That's a really great Shiny Alpha Meowstic. Oh my goodness. Where's the other thing? Like, Infinite CA Royale, change the photo. Then I can do the, no, not that one. This one, I guess. That's awesome. And it falls to the ground. Well, I finally got it. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time I do a crazy shiny hunt that takes me a long time.